If the vehicle loses power, for example due to a dead battery, the underfloor ramp can be operated manually using the emergency release. You will need a size 5 Allen key. Insert the key into the emergency release screw located beneath the small opening in the carpet. To release, turn the key a quarter turn clockwise. Then remove the key and pull the ramp out manually. Secure the ramp again by turning the key a quarter turn counterclockwise. To retract the ramp, first insert the Allen key again and turn it a quarter turn clockwise. Now push the ramp back into the compartment using the handle. Finally, lock the ramp by turning the key a quarter turn counterclockwise. After using the emergency release, please contact your PARAVAN service center.